Here's how to use the ExporterIndia Scraper to extract the data from Exporter India. Go to the official website of Exporters India. Search for your preferred keyword and select a specific city.
Music licensing reimagined.
Copy the URL from the address bar. Return to the scraper tool and paste the copied URL into the provided text area. You can also enter multiple URLs separated by commas. Once you've entered your URLs, click the search button to begin the extraction process. After a short wait, your data will be displayed. Exporters India usually provides virtual phone numbers, not real ones, to extract real phone numbers and email addresses. Click the Deep Extractor button. After processing, the original contact details will be retrieved. Once the process is complete, you can download your data. Thank you for watching.